Now in this lecture, we're going to be see how we are connecting the batteries and how we can just show the configuration in the graphical way. So basically, as we have seen that we have using the 6 number of an battery to satisfy the net capacity of 24 volt, which is a system voltage. And we want totally 444 ampere hour of this particular capacity. Now to satisfy that, we have taken the 12 volt of a battery. Each battery is having the 155 ampere hour, that is the rating. So basically, whenever we are joining these particular batteries, as we have seen that when we are connecting the batteries in the series combination, so if you have taken this plus and minus terminal over here, so whenever we are joining in such a way, it is a series combination. So this 12 volt and 12 volt, that were we are getting the 24 volt in a one array. So whenever we are just connecting such an array 3 times, so whenever we are taking like this another set of an battery, that is a second array. This is also series combination. Again, that will going to be take the third array here, that also in the series combination like this, and that will going to be connected. So every array, each battery is having the 155 ampere hour. So we are getting that the output is 155 ampere hour. Again, this is a 24 volt and 155 ampere hour, and same will be applicable for the third array itself. Now whenever we are joining the batteries in the parallel combination, so let's say this is a common bus bar we are passing like this, and this negative connections we are taking in the one bus bar. Similarly, the positive connections that will going to be taken in a separate bus bar, that is a positive bus bar like this. If we are connecting this, so this is our N terminal that we are getting actually, and this on this particular N terminal, so the individual ampere hour has been added over here 3 times. So 155 multiplied by 3, we are totally getting 465 ampere hour at the end point. So whenever we just measure with the help of a multimeter or the clamp meter at the end point, you will find the 24 volt and 465 ampere hour, that is the net capacity. So in this way, we'll have to connect the battery. So basically in the PVSyst, we don't get the diagram of the connections in the software, but after learning this particular PVSyst software and their combination, in separately we can draw this diagram in the AutoCAD or the manual diagram that we can show at the time of the installation.